We all want to look good, but fitness is about so much more than how your clothes fit. It's about feeling energized, strong, and confident. It's about waking up every day ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. Regular exercise offers a wealth of benefits for both your body and mind. It strengthens your heart and lungs, boosts your energy levels, and helps you maintain a healthy weight. But the advantages go beyond the physical. Fitness plays a crucial role in improving your mood, reducing stress, and sharpening your mental focus. It's an investment in your overall well-being, paving the way for a happier, healthier you. To build a strong and healthy body, it's essential to incorporate different types of workouts into your routine. Think of these workout types as the building blocks of fitness. First, we have cardio. Cardio gets your heart pumping and improves your endurance. Running, swimming, and biking are all great examples of cardio. Next, we have strength training. Strength training builds muscle and makes you stronger overall. Lifting weights and using resistance bands are effective ways to build strength. Flexibility and mobility exercises such as stretching and yoga help improve your range of motion and prevent injuries. And finally, balance and stability exercises like standing on one leg enhance your coordination and stability. Creating a balanced workout routine doesn't have to be complicated. A good starting point is to aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio exercise each week. Spread your cardio workouts throughout the week, aiming for 30 minutes most days. In addition to cardio, include 2 to 3 sessions of strength training per week, targeting different muscle groups. Don't forget to incorporate flexibility and balance exercises into your routine. You can stretch after each workout or dedicate separate sessions to yoga or Pilates. Starting a fitness journey is a great first step, but the real key to success is consistency. Life can get busy, and it's easy to let your fitness goals fall by the wayside. That's why it's crucial to find ways to make exercise a regular part of your routine. One effective strategy is to schedule your workouts like you would any other important appointment. Choose a time of day that works best for you and stick to it as much as possible. Another helpful tip is to find a workout buddy. Having someone to exercise with can provide motivation, support, and even a little friendly competition. Section 5. Fueling your fitness, the role of nutrition. When it comes to fitness, what you eat is just as important as how you move. The food you consume provides your body with the energy it needs to power through your workouts and recover effectively. Protein is especially crucial for building and repairing muscle tissue, so make sure to include protein-rich foods in your diet. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Hydration is also essential for optimal performance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Section 6. Listen to your body. Starting a fitness journey is an exciting time, but it's important to listen to your body and progress gradually. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with shorter workouts and gradually increase the duration and intensity over time. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise. It's normal to feel some muscle soreness, but sharp pain is a sign that you need to rest or modify your workout. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Section 7. Small changes, big results. Transforming your body and improving your health doesn't require drastic measures. In fact, making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle can have a significant impact over time. Start by incorporating more movement into your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike instead of driving, or simply stand up and stretch every hour. These small changes may seem insignificant at first, but they add up over time and contribute to a healthier, more active lifestyle. Section 8. Finding your fitness tribe. Embarking on a fitness journey can be more enjoyable and sustainable when you have a support system cheering you on. Finding your fitness tribe, a group of like-minded individuals who share your passion for health and wellness, can provide motivation, encouragement, and accountability. Join a local gym, attend a group fitness class, or connect with people online who share your fitness goals. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can make all the difference in staying motivated and reaching your full potential. Section 9. Celebrate your victories. As you progress on your fitness journey, take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments. Every step you take toward a healthier lifestyle is a victory worth celebrating. Whether it's running an extra mile, lifting heavier weights, or simply choosing a healthy meal over an unhealthy one, recognize and appreciate your efforts. Celebrating your victories, no matter how small, helps you stay motivated and reinforces positive habits. Section 10. The journey to a healthier you. Remember, fitness is not a destination but a lifelong journey. There will be ups and downs, setbacks and triumphs along the way. The key is to stay committed to your goals, even when progress is slow or challenging. Embrace the process, learn from your experiences, and never give up on your pursuit of a healthier, happier you. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Section 11. Embrace the transformation. Fitness has the power to transform not only your body but also your mind and spirit. As you get stronger and healthier, you'll notice a boost in your confidence, self-esteem, and overall well-being. Embrace the transformation that unfolds as you prioritize your health and make fitness a way of life. Remember, you are capable of achieving amazing things. Start your fitness journey today and unlock your full potential.